When it comes to performance and quality, Hartzell Air Movement sets the pace. From fans and blowers to exhausters, ventilators, and heaters, Hartzell Air Movement has the product you need. Since 1927, Hartzell has been providing innovative air movement solutions for applications in industries such as water and wastewater, power generation, high technology such as semiconductor, heavy industry, marine, and OEM. Hartzell Air Movement is proud to be part of the family-owned Hartzell Corporation.
Quality, value, and commitment are three core values that embodied Hartzell for more than 135 years. Our priority is to produce quality products, and we are committed to provide value to our customers.
This allows us to focus on future market support innovations that include technology advancements, Hartzell Flow product selection software, and physical facility expansion to ensure adequate capacity for growth.
Hartzell is customer focused. By building our fans based on our customers' unique specifications, we pride ourselves on delivering high quality, top of the line, long-lasting products. Hartzell's new cultural change is leading our success by opening up communication, improving our processes, and challenging the status quo.
Quality is built into every process at Hartzell Air Movement without sacrificing your need for order fulfillment speed. All fans and blowers are balanced and test run before shipment. Hartzell has achieved ISO 9001-2008 certification, and our Piqua, Ohio plant has achieved ABS certification. To effectively develop products and solutions that satisfy customers' needs, Hartzell Air Movement maintains a world-class engineering lab. Our facility contains the latest equipment utilized by highly trained, experienced engineers and technicians that continue to advance air movement technology. The Research and Design Center is a certified AMCA lab, with all testing done in accordance with AMCA codes. The Hartzell Engineering and Design team uses the latest techniques in drafting, provides design assistance support, and continues to work with solid engineering practices that are executed in accordance with the Air Movement and Control Association. Our lean manufacturing processes are anchored by our key process drivers: quality, value, and commitment. Our attention to detail, efficiency, and speed is supported by our extensive investment in equipment such as our internal foundry, robotic lasers, machining centers, and our product testing center of excellence. From light industrial to class 4 and 5 fans up to 98 inches in diameter, Hartzell delivers the air movement devices you need when and where you need them. Hartzell Air Movement offers the broadest line of industrial air products ready to ship. Called the Rapid Ship Program, it is designed to provide prompt delivery of quality air moving equipment in less than 48 hours. Well-trained employees are the foundation of Hartzell Air Movement. Our extensive investment in advanced employee training programs ensures quality, reinforces our commitment to supporting your needs, and adds value to your company. Hartzell Air Movement manages over 300 sales reps.
Hartzell sales reps are a driving factor to our success. We arm them with knowledge, marketing tools, and training to help them succeed.
Hartzell Air Movement continues to lead the industry with advancements in air movement technology. We were the first to manufacture industrial fans using an airfoil propeller-type blade. We were the first to use the AirSeal Venturi orifice fan ring in a propeller fan application. And we were the first to establish a stocking program with 2-day shipment of over 150 types of fans. Hartzell Air Movement was the first to develop a solid fiberglass, single-piece, die-formed airfoil design centrifugal wheel, and the first to develop all fiberglass industrial fans. Where are we going at Hartzell Air Movement? We're making it easier for you to find the air movement solution you need for your application. We are making fast deliveries even faster. We are finding more ways to add greater value for your business.
Our future's bright. We have our OEM channel, our global expansion, and our large fan design in full gear. We continue to expand and design new products to better address our customer needs.
Hartzell Air Movement, dedicated to providing quality, value, and personal commitment to helping our customers achieve success.